Trust your instincts and follow the line to Trustline Mortgage. Certain restrictions apply. See office for details. Trustline is an equal housing lender. NMLS number 331480.
The weather meter is brought to you by Pierce Diamonds. Just in time for the holidays. Save up to 40% on everything store-wide. Pierce Diamonds.
At highway speeds, the average text takes your eyes off the road for about 5 seconds. That's enough time to travel the length of a football field. Stop texts, stopwrecks.org. Brought to you by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Ad Council.
The ranger station.
I'd like to report a bear hug.
Okay.
I put out my campfire and Smokey Bear hugged me.
So you drowned the fire, you stirred it, drowned it again. Felt that it was cold. Yeah, he's just letting you know you did good.
Bear hug from Smokey Bear. Status update.
I'm gonna let you go now.
There are many ways to start a fire, one sure way to put it out. Learn how you can do your part at SmokeyBear.com.
Sponsored by the U.S. Forest Service, Ad Council, and your state forester.
This is 104.5 WOKV, Jacksonville's news and talk.
You're listening to the Chad Benson Show. It really can't be excused. Like, on paper, it's bad.
Olivia J. Newley, daughter of Lori London and Massimo G. Newley, on Jada Pinkett Smith's Facebook show, Red Table Talk, her first ever interview about the college cheating scandal that sent both their parents to prison.
Also, I understand why people are angry, and I understand why people say hurtful things, and I would too if I wasn't in my boat.
She says it took her a while to realize the privilege that she and her family enjoy wasn't something afforded to most people, and Pinkett Smith's mom, Adrienne Banfield Norris, made it clear she wasn't on board with doing the interview in the first place.
It's bothersome to me on so many levels. Her being here is the epitome of white privilege to me.
Oh, settle down. She didn't want to go to school. Mom wanted her to go to school. Settle down with your white privilege. You know, when you turn everything into race, that's not good. Everything's about race. It's not about race. There's a hierarchy in everything that goes on. It's, you know what people do every day? They try to live their life individually. They try to live their life. They wake up in the morning, they look around, they say, okay, I gotta figure out how to put food on the table. I've got a job to do. I've got to get the kids to soccer going on. I've got to figure out what we're going to do because we've only got so much bandwidth and now everybody's home going to school and you know, you're trying to figure out. And I'll be honest, when I put a black man, I put a black woman in, never identified that I did. Just the case. There are a few of those out there in the past. I've never. But you know what? You've never been me. So if you make everything about white privilege, or it's that stuff's insane. Just we've got to get past this. But for some people, they this is what they live for. People over the weekend texted me about, you know, and tweeting at me about, you know, school, like my brothers and stuff, how privileged they are to go to. And I'm like, my brothers are anything but privileged. They're privileged because of the fact that, you know, and by the way, my little brothers, everybody looks at me, they automatically, you're a white boy. And I just start laughing. I'm like, well, this is what you see. If you saw my family, it's like, oh, really? I didn't, my little brothers are white. They had all kinds of hot problems. And it's, but the fact that you make snap judgment on the color of somebody's skin and what you think they believe is just as bad as what you're trying to accuse everybody of. This girl didn't want to go to school. She was enjoying being an influencer. Her privilege is she's kind of a hottie. We got to get rid of that, man. Privileged hotties. Get rid of that. Maybe they should make a safe space for only ugly people. This is where we can all come and just be ugly together. Just nuts. Always. Her appearance. Well, I don't think it was her idea to come on the show. She probably didn't want to. So you invite me or invite somebody